Hi, welcome to the Samba de Roda metronome video for version 1 of the rhythm. I'm just going to play continually for like 3 minutes or so, hoping that you'll have someone to work along with and practice along with. Again, if you're right-handed, sideways to your screen facing that way. If you're left-handed, sideways to the screen facing this way. That way you get your visual metronome. I'm hoping by now you've watched the entire tutorial on the actual rhythm, and now we can just work together. So we're going to start again with that build-up. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 2, 3, 4. 3, 2, 3, 4, 4. 2. Bring in the and. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 2 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 3 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 4 and 2 and 3 and 4. Syncopated. 2, 2, 3, 4. 3, 2, 3, 4. 4, 2, 3, 4. Add the slap. So the slap's going in every 4 right now. You could put it in every 2 as a variation. See? But every time you lose your rhythm, you've got a visual metronome, which really helps. A little faster. Okay, so I hope that works. I hope that's helpful to you. Again, take it back, start it again, take it back, start it again. And you'll just get more and more accustomed to it. Having that metronome really, really helps. Come back and watch the video as many times as you like. Hope you enjoy. Thanks for watching.